how you can easily log into your Pixar account. So you can find this app PicsArt. So it's basically a photo and video editing app. You can find it on Play Store or App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you just want to open it and you will be greeted by this login page. And here, if you don't have an account, you can create an account from here. But if you already have an account, tap on sign in and it will ask you for your username and your password. You can also continue with your Google account or your Facebook account as well. I'm going to continue with Google, so I'm just going to choose my Google account. Once you choose your account, you will be logged in right away. As you can see, if I go to my profile, I can log in from here. So if I scroll down, at the bottom, you can see there are different tabs. So if I go to my profile, I have been logged into the account. So from here, I do whatever I want and create new collage and everything. I hope you found the video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.